What's up, Dave Mo Flips, guys? Listen, rookie mistake. I came here last night, picked up a car. I'm gonna show you. Parked it, and I don't know what I did with the keys. I'll be honest with you. I've lost keys. I've kept titles in my pants, washed my pants, dried them, and just seen confetti in my dryer. Leave a comment. Tell me if you guys have ever lost something crazy like that. Keys, titles. So hopefully I'm going to find it. But if not, I'm going to have to get it rekeyed. So let's take a look. Let's see what I picked up. All right, let's check it out. No, not that fucking planter. Although that is mine too. But it just looks like I'm going to let it rot. Anyway, here we are in a... This is not the Silicone Dream. This is like the Silicone Dream's brother. So, this thing's got 160 on the clock. Looking at about $850. I'm in for $850. It needed sway bar and links. So I think I picked those up for $12. And the coil pack. So, and that was like $25. So let's do the math. 24, 25, say 900. Just say 900. You know how I do my math. But not hubcaps, actual tires. Headlights need to be cleaned. That's nothing, guys. Tell me, how far do you guys go? Oh yeah, look, this thing. Check this out. It's got water in there. See that? The door don't close. Sorry, wrong car. Anyway, back to this one. Yeah, I locked it. The interior is not bad at all. 160 on the clock. She's dirty as can be. No silicone. Remember the Silicone Dream? This is where they siliconed all this up. They siliconed all that around the window. This does not have that. So I'm just trying to get in here. So this is, it's not bad. This is going to be a quick flip car, I believe. For the price I'm in it for, put it out for maybe $2,200, $2,300. Maybe let someone talk me down, make a quick G note, and keep it moving. As you can see here, two dents. I don't know if you guys are able to pick that up, but so I go like this. There's small dents, very marginal, nothing crazy. Again, tires look good. Everything's looking good. So, with that being said, guys, this is it. This is. When it comes to dollar menu cars, this is the car. These cars. You're buying them for under $1,000. You're fixing them. They run, they drive, they have cold air. And you're just throwing them out there. You know what I mean? You're throwing it out there. And if you're in this thing for under $1,000, and let's just say you sell it in a week and you make profit $700, what are you complaining about? You made 70% ROI. That's a ridiculous amount of money to make in 1 week. My question would be, how can I get 10 and 20 of those off every week, right? It's just do easy multiplication here. But again, this is what I look for, guys. Straight up and down. This is all I look for. Quick, easy flips. I'm going to take you guys on a test drive, see how she rides. I can tell you right now off the bat, I can already tell you, it sounds like she's going to need one other thing that I forgot to tell you, was a strut mount. So sway bar and links. She's already got the coil pack. I think she's gonna need a strut mount, but again, I'm still gonna be in it less than $1,000, so I'm not worried about it at all. Tell me what you guys think. 160,000 miles, 07 or an 08. I can tell you right now, I think it's right here. This doesn't say. All right, I want to say it's an 08. But tell me what you guys would sell it for. Tell me what you'd pay for it. Tell me if I'm a sucker and someone got me. Anyway, this thing's probably just gonna go off to LKQ to get crushed. I think they're paying like $500 for stuff like this this week. So story with this car is real quick. This one I got, it had a salvage rebuildable title. Runs and drives, I think 140,000 miles on it. Paperwork says no damage. It needed a windshield. I put the windshield in it. I have the window to put in here. I have that so that I could get in there. And then the grill is jammed up, but none of this stuff would stop you from getting it passed. But I just don't feel like dealing with the headache, to be honest with you. So I was thinking about keeping it and using it as a part out, giving it to Leroy, and just letting it, because he wants to start like a part out salvage company. So I was like, look, you can have it, do what you got to do with it, part it out, do your thing, you know, and we'll just split it 50-50, and we'll get into the next one after that. But believe it or not, she still runs and drives fine. Those tires are hideous. Let me know what you guys would do with that car. Tell me, would you guys actually just take it down and get it inspected? I think it's only like $100 for dealers. Or would you just say fucking throw it out? It's not even worth the headache, you know? But anyway, guys, subscribe, hit that bell. And you know, aside from saying that, let me say this. Thank you for watching the videos, man. Thank you if you guys already subscribed. Thank you for leaving comments if you have. Thank you for everything. Honestly, I really do appreciate it. We're coming up to almost 100 subscribers, which is like that big in the YouTube world, but to me, it's tremendous. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so we're taking the Caliber here. This is not the Silicone Dream, because that one's sold. This is the, I want to say it's also like a 07 or an 08. And take this thing for its maiden voyage. Waiting for the light to turn right now. And it looks like it's about to. So, let's see. This is actually the first time this car's been on the road driving with me. Definitely sounds like it needs suspension work. I can tell you that right now. She seems to be going through all the gears. The seatbelt chime definitely works. Yeah, she needs suspension. Do you guys hear that? Or a tie rod end. She needs something along those lines. Ah, that noise is annoying. Yeah, I'm not gonna say she's ready for sale. Not without getting that fixed. But we'll definitely see. At any rate, that's it though. The main thing is that she went through the gears. So that was mainly what I was worried about. And that's really it, guys. Man, the noise is annoying. I gotta put my seatbelt on, but oh yeah, it definitely sounds like a front sway bar end link, or maybe a strut mount, something. That guy's drunk over here. Or something like that. But it is bad. To get that repaired for sure. But alright, guys, that's it for now. So just an update, guys. When we get going on the road, like on the expressway here, she's got no problems. But she will, like I said, she'll need that sway bar or the strut mount, maybe struts, but in terms of drivability, she goes no problem. And again, you know, you guys want to know what I'm into this thing for at this moment right now. I'm looking at $850. That's out the door. That's everything included, $850. So I'm not mad. I'm definitely not mad. You see, she's holding temp, ice cold air. She only needed oh, I'm sorry, wait a second. I'm into this thing for $875. She needed a coil pack, coil number 3. But like I said, she's a rider. Anyway, all right, guys. Let me know. Hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Tell me what you're thinking.